Ever struggled turning messy customer data into meaningful segments? You're not alone. Developers waste hours wrestling with SQL joins for cohort analysis, debugging pandas pipelines for RFM scoring, or misconfiguring k-means clusters that spit out nonsense. This skill gives you battle-tested tools. SQL window functions for lifetime value calculations, pandas group bys for behavioral cohorting, DB scan for outlier detection, and CRM sync patterns using REST APIs. Whether you're a backend dev building analytics pipelines, a data engineer automating ETLs, or a full stack hacker adding personalization to your SaaS app, say goodbye to spreadsheets that crash Excel and your sanity. Here's what's inside the Building Customer Segmentation skill. You'll get SQL recipes for cleaning transactional data with CTEs and date truncation, pandas templates for creating feature matrices with pivot tables, and production-grade clustering implementations using scikit-learn pipelines. Discover how to build real-time segmentation APIs with Fast API and design database triggers that auto-update segments. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, from e-commerce cohorts to SaaS churn buckets. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn chaos into clarity with code that actually scales. Installing the Building Customer Segmentation skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Customer Segmentation. That's it. This downloads the complete skill: expert level guidance on feature engineering, code templates for SQL Alchemy ORM integrations, and Jupyter notebooks comparing k-means versus Gaussian mixture models. No config needed. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug pipeline memory leaks, optimize cluster centroids, and structure marketing API callbacks. No PhD in data science required. Just ship better segmentation than your competition's intern did last summer.